Okay, I just wanted to make a quick demonstration of the difference between clay barred paint and paint that has not been clay barred or isn't clean. Clean paint should not make any sound at all. It doesn't matter if you clay barred or not. If it's clean, it won't make any sound. This has been clay barred, it's clean paint. This is what it used to sound like when I first got it. Nice and clean paint. Or what it doesn't sound like anything. You can't hear it. Doesn't matter what side of my hand I'm using. Use the fingerprint side of your hand, it's going to make more noise. This has not been clay barred yet. Can you hear that? A better place to show you, well, this has been clay barred. No sound. This has not been clay barred yet. My car was repainted on one quarter panel pretty much, and the overspray got all over the car. Well, instead of taking it back to them, I clay barred the whole thing, and now it's back to the way it should be. It doesn't take long. It takes maybe an hour for the whole car. You do one section at a time, like 2 by 2 foot sections, making sure everything's clean, making sure you knead your clay bar so it doesn't keep any dirt in it on the surface, and you're not wiping it all over your car. And if you drop your clay bar, throw it away. Don't use it again. You might be able to use it for other stuff, like not on your car, maybe your rims. If you got crappy aluminum rims or something like that, they clean them up pretty nice. But don't use it on paint. It won't take your clear coat off. If you've got a clean car, and you keep it lubricated, it will not take your clear coat off. Well, that's that. Have a great day.